Using an electric bike can save you a lot of money in the long run. You won't have to worry about gas prices or maintenance costs, and you can even get a bit of exercise while you're at it. But with so many electric bikes on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why we've put together a list of the top 5 best electric bikes under $1,000, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. We have personally reviewed and tested each of these bikes, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible product. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. So, let's get started with the video. The 5th product in our list is Nakto Electric Mountain e-bike. This 5th selection may look quiet in superficial display, but it is functionally outstanding. Its 300-watt rear hub motor together with a 36-volt 10Ah lithium-ion battery will have you cruising at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and an extreme of 35 miles per hour on a single charge in favorable conditions. Fitted with a high-strength carbon steel frame, this lightweight e-bike has 3 various working modes so that you can switch from e-bike, normal, or assisted mode of riding depending on how you feel. The impressive Shimano 6-speed gears afford you a fun ride that puts you into whatever speed you feel like. Its fat tire will survive the rugged and rocky terrains that make the fun merrier, while the ergonomic structure protects your body from possible discomfort while on a tedious ride. Lastly, this electric bike arrives pre-assembled up to 95% to avoid possible damage while on transit and ensures easy assembling, as all a buyer has to fix is the hand gears and front wheels. The 4th product in our list is Swagtron EB7 Elite Plus Folding Bike. This e-bike make is an upgrade from the highly acclaimed EB7 Plus series, so you can only imagine how cool this electric bicycle must be. The manufacturer was keen on attending to users' recommendations while designing this new model, and one such visible improvement is the 7-speed gear system. It makes for a highly effective electric commuter bike. The system is light, direct, and easy to use when you want to shift from one gear to another. The improved 350-watt motor has 23% more power so that this commuter bike can reach up to 19 miles per charge while on pedal assist mode at a speed of 18.6 miles per hour. The 36-volt Li-ion battery is fully charged after 3 to 4 hours, and better yet, you have the option of purchasing an extra battery that's safely lockable for you to swap when you want to prolong your time on the road. The e-bike is fitted with adjustable dual-disc brakes that use the AutoGuard technology that instantly cuts off the motor when you press the brakes. It is especially important when you are descending on steep trails to prevent you from toppling over. The 16-inch wheels charismatically handle rough terrains while remaining intact. The 3rd product in our list is Speedrid Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you love a highly effective bike that still looks good even while deep in dirt, then this would be a smart pick. This stylish e-bike is endowed with amazing features that will support an exceptional performance while climbing the hills and the bumpy trails. First is the professional 7-speed Shimano gear, coupled with the 500-watt 5 levels pedals assistance and topped with a throttle that can increase up to a top speed of 23 miles per hour without a hitch. The thick 26-inch by 4-inch anti-slip tires are nothing like you've experienced before, as one can hardly feel rough and bumpy while riding, a result of good shock absorption. To further aid the shock absorption process, the bike has high-strength carbon steel forks. Unlike the usual 36-volt motor, this bicycle has a powerful 48-volt 500-watt motor that permits you to use higher speeds that you cannot afford with regular electric bikes. Then the 48-volt 10Ah battery will see that you reach up to 22 miles per single charge, which is more than enough for a day of high-energy rides or simply a day spent running errands. For greater stopping power, especially on long descents, it is designed with front and rear disc brakes to reduce preventable accidents no matter the weather and topography conditions. On top of all this goodness is the 7-speed professional transmission system, a cutting-edge technology to support your adrenaline-packed expeditions on the treacherous hills and trails. The 2nd product in our list is ECOTRIC Powerful 500-watt Folding Electric Bike. While this folding electric bicycle isn't made for professional mountain biking, it is beautifully fitted to assist your cycling needs on the road. ECOTRIC folding electric bike features a 500-watt brushless electric motor that's powerful enough to use on a rugged terrain, even at a top speed of 20 miles per hour thanks to its Shimano external 7-speed gear. This unique-looking folding e-bike can reach up to 23 miles per hour when fully charged and on electric mode. The twist throttle and pedal assist permit effective and efficient speed controls while riding on easy or hard terrain. Even though its main purpose isn't climbing severely steep terrains, it is important to note that you can still enjoy riding on fairly sloppy areas without hassle. For convenient charging, the e-bike has a removable 36-volt 12.5 Ah lithium battery that can be charged whether you are at home or in the office. It is an easy fit in and out. For a safe and steady ride, there's an outage and mechanical braking system that suits your endeavors. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tire prolongs the e-bike's life regardless of how often you ride and how rough the terrain you use. They are anti-skidding so that you can have fun even in snow, sand, or other difficult areas. You should always charge using the right charging equipment to promote the battery's lifespan. Using other cords may curtail this while rapidly cutting short your mileage when you are on the road. The number 1 product in our list is ANCHEER electric mountain bike. This stunner may be a new entrant to the market, but it will definitely impress you with its components and electric system. The Elite 21-speed gear, 500-watt 5 levels pedal assistance, and throttle allow you to push up to an exciting top speed of 22 miles per hour. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes will boost your confidence on any road even in rainy weather as they offer you full stopping control. Steep climbing and heavy meandering are made friendly by the installation of the powerful 48-volt 500-watt high-speed powerful motor. With this in mind, whether on that light or heavy biking expedition, you can be sure of a stress-free yet memorable adventure. However, owing to the bulkiness of the bike, it will be difficult to tread a long slope of more than 40 degrees. Another thoughtful aspect of this electric mountain bike is the 48-volt 10 Ah larger capacity battery, which is tightly secure in place when you are riding and easy to remove whenever you need to charge. On the road, it can last you up to a range of 22 to 38 miles per single charge based on factors such as the rider's weight, the gradient, type of use, and the temperature outdoors. The unconventional 27.5-inch wheels make for a faster electric bike in comparison to the usual 26-inch wheel that most electric bikes have. This is because the extra rubber on this wheel covers more ground. To answer every rider's prayer, this electric bike has a much softer seat, which guarantees that you will be comfortable during and after every ride. The LCD display upgrade is a clever move as it gives you insight into your performance by putting on view statistics like speed, battery level, mileage, and more. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.